Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend. Today we are going to see how to convert Google Doc to Word file. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step by step to convert your Google Doc file to a Windows Microsoft Word file. So friend, keep watching. In this video you will learn very new thing. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, you will learn very new thing. So friend, keep watching and stay tuned with me. So friend, right now we are going to open Google Chrome browser here and let's see how we can do that. So friend, here you can see this is my Google Doc which is open into my Google browser. So friend, you must logged in into your Google Doc account. So friend, you will see this dashboard. You must have Google or Gmail account into this, then you can do very easy. So friend, first of all, you simply Google Docs, google.com and you will see this page. Okay. So now we are going to show you how we can convert this Google Doc into Microsoft Word file. Okay, so friend, how we can do that? Simply you can click on this menu bar and then friend, you can see this option download, and now you can see here Microsoft Word docx file. Okay, simply you can click here. So what happened, your Google Doc file will convert into Microsoft Word document. Okay, so friend, here right now we are going to test it out how it is looking into Microsoft Word. Okay, so friend, now you can see this Word file. So friend, here you can see now Google Doc is converted into Microsoft Word file. So friend, this is very easy tutorial. I want to share with you guys how you can easily convert your Google Doc into Microsoft Word. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to convert Google Doc to Microsoft Word. So friend, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family and also comment below what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. Now we are going to move another video, so let's jump into next video.